One of the most crucial things a person has to do in order to get better from a mind-body disorder, whether it's chronic pain, a sleep disorder, a gastrointestinal disorder, an immune system disorder like allergies, is to understand and fully grip the fact that we all have an unconscious child within us that has never matured, that has a lot of anger, a lot of pain, a lot of guilt, a lot of resentment from what we experienced growing up, from our day-to-day lives. And a lot of us, and a lot of the people that are watching this will say, well, that's not me. I'm a very happy person. I'm joyous. I'm very thankful. I'm appreciative. I have a lot of friends. Everybody knows me as the good guy, the nice guy. Those people are more susceptible to developing symptoms more than any other person, because the more consciously and rationally we are outside to being moral and being pleasant, that creates even more anger to the unconscious child, because the unconscious child is all about doing for itself, being narcissistic, not imposing any type of responsibility on it. And by us going through our day-to-day lives, being moral and trying to do what people want us to do, it creates so much anger, so much pain. You have someone that doesn't want to really take care of their ailing spouse, a person that doesn't really want to take care of their aging parents. The unconscious child doesn't want to do that. We're angry at our boss, we're angry at our coworker for them having the promotion that we wanted for 10 years, and we never got it. We're angry at the people in elementary that bullied us and made fun of us, and we had to put on a smile and act like we still liked them. We're angry at our parents for getting divorced throughout high school when our friends bullied us because of it. This all creates and generates so much anger and so much pain, and we don't even realize it because it's in the realm of the unconscious. It's the unconscious emotions. And when someone says, well, I don't feel it, that's not me, you're not supposed to feel it. It's unconscious. It makes sense that you don't feel it. But that's exactly why we have physical symptoms. It's because it's a distraction. Our mind does not want us to get anywhere near this unconscious emotional realm. It only wants us to be focused on the physical realm. And you know what? It works. Because you see how many doctors people go to. You see how many surgeons people go to. You see how many medications we try, and the supplements, and the chiropractors, and the acupuncturists. And we see how many specialists we go to in order to get better. But we're always focused on the physical. And if we see after all these years that we're not getting better and we have chronic symptoms, most probably it is a mind-body disorder. And you have to delve into the unconscious and acknowledge that, yes, soothe the unconscious child within all of us and say, yeah, wait a second. I really am angry at the kids in my class. I really am angry at my boss for not giving me a promotion. I don't really want to take care of my parents that are aging, at least in an unconscious level. I don't really want to care for my spouse that has all these ailments. Of course, consciously we want to. Of course, consciously we want to do what's right. Unconsciously, we don't really want to. And because there's so much anger and rage that has been developed over all the years and what we've been going through, our mind doesn't want to get anywhere close to that and develops physical symptoms. It alters the autonomic system, it alters the immune system, it alters all different systems in the body in order for us to be focused on the physical body and not on the unconscious emotions.